So hello everyone and welcome to Tathyam. So today we are going to discuss one of the simplest probability distribution in statistics, that is Bernoulli distribution. Okay. So what is a Bernoulli distribution? क्या होता है Bernoulli distribution? So Bernoulli distribution describes a random experiment where there are only two possible outcomes. Bernoulli distribution describes a random experiment where there are only two possible outcomes, and these two outcomes are called as either success or failure. Success is represented by a random variable 1 and failure is represented by a random variable 0. ठीक. For example, coin toss. In a coin toss where we will either be getting a head or a tail, only two possible outcomes. हेड को हम लोग रिप्रेजेंट कर दिए लेट्स से 1 से और टेल्स को रिप्रेजेंट कर दिए 0 से. सो द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ कॉइन टॉसिंग फॉलोज Bernoulli distribution. Okay. Exam, either the student will pass the exam or he will fail the exam. Only two possible outcomes is there. So the probability distribution follows Bernoulli distribution. Okay. Clicking an ad uh, in your phone or your tab. अच्छा ठीक है. तो either you will click or you will not click. Only two possible outcomes. So this represents Bernoulli distribution. Okay. Now अब notation के बारे में देखते हैं. Let's look at the notation. ठीक है. See, a Bernoulli random variable x is written as x distributed as Bernoulli p, small p, where small p is probability of x is equals to 1, that is success, and 1 minus p is equals to probability of x is equals to 0, that is failure. ठीक है. अब Bernoulli distribution is a discrete distribution. Why? Because it's taking only whole numbers, 0 or 1, both are whole numbers. It is not taking the random variable, is not taking decimals. That is why. Okay. ठीक है. अब डिस्क्रीट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है तो ऑब्वियस सा बात है, इसका प्रोबेबिलिटी मास फंक्शन होगा, प्रोबेबिलिटी डेंसिटी फंक्शन नहीं होगा. तो इसका प्रोबेबिलिटी मास फंक्शन कैसे होगा, क्या होगा? ठीक है. इसका प्रोबेबिलिटी मास फंक्शन इज रिप्रेजेंटेड एज दिस, स्मॉल p to the power x, 1 minus p to the power 1 minus x for x belongs to 0 and 1. So this formula gives the probability of getting either 0 or 1. ठीक है. Now let's look at one more interesting term, that is which is Bernoulli trial. क्या होता है Bernoulli trial? ऐसा एक्सपेरिमेंट, a single experiment with two outcomes is called a Bernoulli trial. Tossing a coin once is a Bernoulli trial. Writing an exam once is a Bernoulli trial. Why? बिकॉज एक बार हम एग्ज़ाम देंगे तो उसका आउटकम क्या होगा, आइदर सक्सेस या फेलियर. ठीक है. क्लिकिंग एन एड वंस, either it will get there are two possible outcomes, either you will click or you will not click. ठीक है. सो Bernoulli trial होता है a single experiment with two possible outcomes. ऐसा एक्सपेरिमेंट जिसको हम लोग सिर्फ एक बार रिपीट करेंगे, और जिसका ओनली 2 पॉसिबल आउटकम्स होगा वो कहलाएगा बर्नौली ट्रायल. ओके, so hope you have understood the video, you have understood all the things that we have discussed so far, and if you have any doubt you can leave a comment, and we will meet in the next video. So yeah, thank you.